Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Chloe Top Lex back with another YouTube video. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 tips for going back to school online. I know it's August now, we're getting ready to go back into the swing of things, and maybe an adjustment for a lot of people going back to school and it being online. I know we all don't have the same circumstances, so I am going to be giving a lot of alternatives to the tips that I give, but let's get into the video. First tip. Make a routine. If you don't have a routine, that could be the downfall of your semester. It is important to have a routine so that you don't just feel like stressed out and that you have to rush to do everything because, oh, you didn't do this, you forgot to do this. And it kind of just helps set you in for class and to get focused. So a couple of things that I have in mind is like try to wake up early so that you can eat breakfast, so that you can, if you want to exercise, you can exercise. If you read your Bible, do all that stuff so that it can help focus you so that when it is time to, if you have Zoom class or if you have to make up your own schedule, just do what you need to do and you'll feel ready and focused to do it. Tip number 2, make a place away from your bed to do your homework. Now, I'm blessed enough to have a desk to where I can do my homework and all my work and stuff, but if you don't, maybe you can go to like the dining room table, or you can go to because I don't know, because we are in quarantine, I was gonna say go to the coffee shop or to the library. The library's closed, but just even if it's just to another room, go somewhere that's not your bed, because I don't remember where I saw this, but if I find it, I'll put it in the description box. But it says that if you do your homework on your bed, then when you try to go to sleep, it's going to be harder for you to go to sleep because now you associate your bed with homework and you're going to want to work. And our bed is supposed to be our safe space, our haven to where we can go to sleep. So just try to find any place that's not your bed to do your homework. Tip number 3, a big calendar. Now, let me show y'all my calendar. It's bigger than me. This is my calendar. It's empty right now because, I have one syllabus, but I didn't really feel like putting that up yet. I want to wait till all my classes are here. But have a calendar to where you can put all your stuff so where you can be accountable to do your homework. You can see what is due. Now, I'm calendar crazy. I have 3 calendars. This is my school calendar. I have another calendar to where I put like all my, I'm going to go do this with so-and-so, or I'm going to do so-and-so's hair. And then I have a Black History calendar that just gives me Black History facts. But having a calendar like this is important. I'm not telling y'all to go out and buy a calendar because we may not have that. So if you don't have a calendar like this, if you want to buy one, you can go buy one. I got that one from Target, or you can just use the ones on your phone already. You have Google calendars, Apple calendars. Now, I heard a lot of people say that the Google calendar was better, but I personally don't have a preference. I use Apple because that's what I have, and that's my business. My 4th tip is books. Now, when it comes to books, first of all, don't just go buy a book just because it says in the syllabus. Actually wait for the first day, or if your professor emails you to let you know that you need the book, then get it. But don't just buy it just to buy it, because a lot of times when it comes to college, you don't even need the books, and now you are $80 down the drain because you bought a book that you're not going to need. Now, me personally, I know that I cannot focus with the online book. Like, I could try my hardest, and sometimes online books, they're free, so it's like, yeah, free book, but I know that I cannot focus, so I have to buy a hard copy. So I will have some websites to where you guys can get your books in the description box. If you want it online, I can give you guys a website for that too. But if you need like a hard copy, then I'll have I have websites in the description box for you. And my last tip is to use your resources and your friends and your family. If you need help, ask somebody. I know it's hard to do. I'm that person too. I don't like asking anybody for help. But in this time, there's so much going on, and school is never easy. Like, I'm not just gonna say that, oh, just do it. Like, school is hard. So if you need help, use your resources. You know, I know we all hate reading the syllabus, but there are, well, I don't know for like other schools, but I know for my school, there are a list of resources that you can use at any time that will help you, you know, be successful, whether it's academically, whether it's mentally, if you need like counseling resources. But just take advantage of the resources, especially right now. I feel like they're really trying to reach out to people and to help people so that you can be successful, because this is, you know, a hard time. I know everybody may not have like Chromebooks or laptops. I know some schools, if they can afford it, they are giving, you know, Chromebooks to people. I know my sister's school is, my school is, and I know a couple of other schools that are. I'll try to find some other resources for you. If I do find them, they'll be in the description box. But yeah, just reach out if you need help. I know sometimes we feel like there's nobody out there that cares about us, but there is. And even if I have to be that person for you, I will be there. My DMs are always open. If you want to message me on Instagram, if you want to send me a Snapchat saying, hey, what's up, I'll reply. Or even if it's just a comment. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helps. And if anybody else has any other tips that I didn't mention, please put them in the comment section. Let's help each other out. Let's love each other. Let's support each other. Please like, share, and comment on this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.